Now, I'm not saying you need all of these tools to mow your lawn like a pro, but there are definitely a few simple things that you can do to get a great cut every single time. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing that you want to do before mowing your lawn is make sure your blades are sharp. Dull blades will rip and tear at your grass, causing it to be more susceptible to disease and also giving you an uneven cut. You should also check your blade height and make sure it's set at the highest setting. The general rule of thumb is you never want to cut off more than 1/3 of the grass blade. This will help promote healthy growth and keep your grass looking its best. Now let's take a look at the different types of grass shears. There are 3 main types: walk behind, push, and ride on. Each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. Walk behind mowers are great for small to medium-sized lawns, and they are very maneuverable. Push mowers are good for larger lawns, and they require less effort to push than a walk behind. And lastly, ride-on mowers are perfect for large properties, and they allow you to cover more ground in less time. However, they are more expensive and they require more storage space. Before we get into the actual cutting, you want to do a quick safety check. Make sure the area is clear of any debris, such as sticks, rocks, or toys. I don't want your mower to run over these items, as it could damage the mower, or worse, cause an accident. Also, be sure to wear closed-toe shoes and pants while mowing. And lastly, never allow children or pets on or around the mower while it's running. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's get started. If this is your first time mowing your lawn, you may want to start with a walk-behind mower. They are relatively inexpensive and easy to use. To begin, adjust the height of the blade to the highest setting, and then make sure the mower is facing the direction you want the grass to fall. This is important because you don't want to scalp the lawn or create unsightly stripes. You should also take your time and make sure each pass is nice and clean. Don't try to go too fast, or you'll end up with an uneven cut. It's better to take your time and do it right the first time. If you have a larger lawn, you may want to consider using a push mower. They are more powerful than walk-behind mowers, and they will make quick work of tall grass. Just like with the walk-behind mower, be sure to start with the blade at the highest setting and make sure each pass is nice and clean. You may also want to overlap your passes by a few inches to ensure you get an even cut. And lastly, if you have a very large property, you may want to invest in a ride-on mower. They are the most expensive option, but they are also the most efficient. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cutting height and speed. And just like the other mowers, make sure to take your time and make nice, clean cuts. There are several different patterns that you can use when mowing your lawn. The most common is the standard back and forth pattern. This is where you mow one side of the lawn, then turn around and mow the other side. Another popular pattern is the spiral pattern. This is where you start at one end of the lawn and mow in a spiral until you reach the center. This pattern is great for lawns with trees or other obstacles. Lastly, you can also mow your lawn in a checkerboard pattern. This is where you mow the lawn in one direction, then turn 90 degrees and mow in the perpendicular direction. This pattern is great for creating a striped effect. Mowing your lawn doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With the right tools and techniques, you can get the job done quickly and easily. Just remember to always put safety first and take your time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!